If you're here, you've probably experienced that exhilarating moment when the fruits of your labor arrive. Yes, we're talking about that sweet paycheck. But hold on tight, because we're about to take you on an intriguing journey of 8 carefully crafted steps to make the most of your hard earned money. Here, we don't just preach financial wisdom, we challenge you to think differently about your finances and explore innovative ways to stretch that dollar further. Whether you are just starting to receive your first paycheck or have been earning for a while, having a solid financial plan is essential. In this guide, we will explore 8 indispensable steps to help you make the most of your paycheck, optimize your finances, and build a strong foundation for your future. Let's begin. Number 1. Prioritize yourself. Pay yourself first. One of the most fundamental financial principles is to pay yourself first. Before addressing any other expenses, allocate a portion of your paycheck towards your personal savings or investments. Establish a specific percentage or dollar amount to save each pay period. Start with a conservative figure like 5% and gradually increase it over time as your income grows. The key to ensuring consistent savings is to automate the process. Set up automatic transfers to a separate savings account or investment vehicle, such as a 401k plan or low-cost index fund. This way, you won't have to remember or manually execute the savings each time you get paid. By putting yourself first and building a strong savings foundation, you lay the groundwork for a secure financial future. Number 2. Create a budget or spending plan. A budget is a powerful tool to gain control over your finances. Begin by gathering all your financial information, including income statements, bills, and bank and credit card statements. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs, like rent, utilities, groceries, and entertainment. Calculate your monthly income from all sources, including part-time or side hustle earnings. Subtract your fixed expenses to determine your discretionary income. Allocate a portion of this discretionary income to savings. Tracking your expenses diligently, either manually or with budgeting apps, helps you monitor your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed to align with your financial goals. Number 3. Set up an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind during unexpected financial challenges. Set a specific savings goal, ideally covering 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. If you're just starting, aim to save at least $1,000 as a starting point. Review your monthly income and expenses to determine how much you can realistically set aside each month. Create a separate savings account exclusively dedicated to your emergency fund. This separation helps prevent impulsive spending on non-urgent matters. Automate regular contributions from your paycheck or checking account to ensure consistent saving. Look for ways to cut non-essential expenses and explore opportunities to increase your income, directing any extra funds towards your emergency fund. Be patient and disciplined, sticking to your savings plan and only use the savings in true emergencies. Number 4. Pay down debt strategically. Debt can be a significant burden on your financial health. Gather all the details of your debts, including outstanding balances, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments. Consider prioritizing your debts based on either the highest interest rate, or what we call Avalanche method, or the smallest balance, or what we call Snowball method. Both methods have merits, so choose the one that aligns with your financial circumstances and motivation. Allocate as much money as possible towards the first chosen debt, while making minimum payments on others. Once you pay off a debt, repeat the process with the next one. To accelerate debt repayment, consider cutting unnecessary expenses and finding ways to increase your income. Consolidating multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate might also be an option worth exploring. Stay consistent and persistent in your approach, celebrating each milestone along the way. Number 5. Build up your savings. As you make progress with debt repayment and emergency fund savings, redirect the extra funds towards more substantial savings goals. Determine what you're saving for specifically, whether it's a down payment on a house, an investment property, or a dream vacation. Set a fixed amount, either a percentage or a specific dollar amount, to contribute to your savings account each paycheck. Create a separate savings account for this goal and automate your savings through regular transfers from your checking account. To maximize your savings, consider opening a high-yield savings account with higher interest rates. Look for opportunities to increase your income through side gigs or negotiating a raise at work. Be patient and consistent in your saving efforts, and don't forget to celebrate each milestone along the way. Number 6. Maximize your retirement contributions. Saving for retirement is a critical aspect of financial planning. Familiarize yourself with the contribution limits and deadlines for your retirement accounts, such as a 401k or an individual retirement account, or IRA. Aim to contribute the maximum allowable amount each year to take full advantage of the tax benefits and potential employer matching contributions. If your employer offers a matching program, make sure to contribute at least enough to qualify for the full match, as it's essentially free money. Automate your contributions to your retirement account to ensure consistent savings without requiring any extra effort on your part. Regularly review your investment options and asset allocation to align with your long-term goals. Consult with an investment advisor if needed to make informed decisions. Remember that compound interest is powerful, and the earlier and more consistently you contribute to your retirement, the greater your savings will grow over time. Number 7. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. As Benjamin Franklin famously said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Identify areas where you can improve your skills and knowledge related to your desired career or industry. Consider taking online courses, attending workshops, or pursuing certifications to gain valuable expertise. Make time for self-improvement through reading books, listening to podcasts, or engaging in networking events to expand your professional connections. Develop a growth mindset and embrace continuous learning to stay ahead of industry trends. Seek out mentors or coaches who can offer guidance and support as you navigate your career path. Invest in tools or resources that can make your work processes more efficient and enhance your productivity. Remember that investing in yourself not only increases your income potential, but also contributes to your personal and professional development. Number 8. Create a fun account. While it's essential to prioritize saving and investing, it's equally important to enjoy life and allocate funds for enjoyable activities and experiences. Create a fun account or a separate savings account specifically for leisure purposes. This account allows you to set aside money guilt-free for hobbies, vacations, or entertainment, adding joy and excitement to your life. Decide on a comfortable amount to contribute to your fun account from each paycheck, considering it is a form of self-care and mental well-being. By creating this account and consistently funding it, you ensure that you have the means to indulge in experiences that enrich your life and bring happiness. By following these 8 essential steps, you can take control of your finances and optimize your paycheck for a brighter financial future. Building a strong foundation requires discipline, patience, and consistent effort, but the rewards are well worth the journey. Remember to periodically review and adjust your financial plan to stay on track with your goals. Embrace the process of mastering your finances, and you'll be well on your way to achieving long-term financial success. Alright, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Now go out there, have some fun, and make the most of that hard-earned cash. Until next time, take care and stay awesome.